Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix a critical error has occurred in League of Legends. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to find your League of Legends shortcut. So on search, you just need to write League of Legends, right click on it, open file location, then again, right click on it and open file location again. And you should be on right client. So what you need to do here next is to go not on right client, but on right games. Then select League of Legends. Then you need to delete two folders. So this one and this one. So you just need to delete them. And once you do that, go to game. Then you should see League of Legends exe file, right click on it, go to properties, compatibility, and then make sure to disable full screen optimizations and run this program as administrator, apply, okay, then run the game or the client and it should be no error. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press the like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.